If you think about the word kaiako, there's a really important obligation there. The word kaiako is literally to impart knowledge and receive knowledge. So in the classroom environment, it's really important for me to have some knowledge to begin with. And how do I get that? By doing my own rangahau and the processes of rangahau. And that's not just from a professional point of view, from a social work stand. That's actually who am I as a person, and how is it that I know what I know, and what from my own upbringing and whakapapa am I going to impart in a classroom environment. Rangahau, as it relates to research, it can be a completely different term. The kupu Māori isn't about just finding knowledge for the purpose of completing something. The term rangahau is more than that. It's about generosity, it's about compassion, it's about whakapapa, like I said. Everything leads back to something. And so rangahau in my context in the classroom is about that. It's about bringing everything I know to give graciously to the people sitting in front of me, and hopefully they feel the same way and I learn from them.